In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to your WordPress website using the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin. We'll go through the full setup process inside your WordPress admin area and then link it to your Mailchimp account using an API key. This is a straightforward integration, and once it's connected properly, your website and your email marketing platform will be able to communicate much more smoothly. To begin, open Google Chrome and log into your live WordPress dashboard. Make sure you're in the back-end admin area of the correct website so you can install and configure plugins without any confusion. Once you're inside the dashboard, go directly to the plugin section in the left-hand menu, then click Add New Plugin. This is where you can search the WordPress plugin directory for tools you want to add to your site. In the search bar, type in Mailchimp for WordPress. As the results appear, look for the correct plugin and confirm the name carefully before installing it. This helps avoid selecting a similar plugin by mistake. When you've found it, click Install Now and give WordPress a few moments to download and add the plugin to your site. After the installation is complete, click Activate. This turns the plugin on and initializes the connection tool you'll use to bridge WordPress and Mailchimp. Next, switch over to the browser tab where your Mailchimp account is already open. From there, locate your account area and retrieve an active API key. This key acts like a secure access token that allows the plugin on your WordPress site to communicate with your Mailchimp account. Be sure to copy the full key exactly as it appears without adding any extra spaces before or after it. Once you've copied the API key, return to your WordPress dashboard and open the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin settings. You should see a field where you can paste the API key. Click into that input box, paste the key, and then select Save Changes. This is the final step that stores the connection details and lets the plugin authenticate with your Mailchimp account. After saving, give the page a moment to process the update. If everything was entered correctly, the plugin should now be connected. If it doesn't connect right away, double check that the API key is active and that it was pasted accurately. And that's it. You've successfully linked Mailchimp to WordPress using the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin.